Best humidifier for grow tent. In this video, we are going to talk about best humidifier for grow tent. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. If you need to know more about the products, check out the links in the description below. Number 5. Honeywell HCM 350W Germ-Free Cool Mist Humidifier. The Germ-Free Cool Mist Humidifier from Honeywell is our top pick in the list of best humidifiers for grow tents. It has a large water capacity of 1 gallon and keeps running for 24 hours. It covers an area of 500 square feet. This is a good option for medium-sized growing rooms. The unique evaporative technology filters the vapors before releasing them. This ensures a cool mist for your plants. You can make your grow tent maintenance hassle-free with this easy-to-carry, easy-to-refill, and easy-to-clean product. The most important feature is that it provides a hygienic environment. Ultraviolet light technology kills up to 99.9% of harmful agents like bacteria, mold, fungus, and viruses in the water unit. Furthermore, it comes with an electric display to show the relative humidity and temperature of the grow tent. Additionally, this is a diverse range of product. After providing enough humidity to your grow tent, you can even take the humidifier to your bedroom or lounge to get some moisture in the dry air. And all this is with the 60 W of energy, so don't worry about any abrupt rise in billing after Cool Mist Germ-Free Humidifier. Sounds great, right? Highlighted features. UV technology to kill 99.99% of the germs. The moisture is taken care of with evaporative technology. Keeps the humidity within the expected range of 40 to 60%. Uses only 60 W of energy. Reduces static electricity around the area. Can cover an area within 500 square feet. This product has a good review. Don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Pure Enrichment MistAire Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Do you want a low consumption and easy to use humidifier for your grow tent? This humidifier from Pure Enrichment is perfect for non-commercial growers and covers an area up to 250 square feet. This is a top pick as the best humidifier for a small grow tent. This humidifier is an electricity savior and works on 120 volts and 50 Hz power only. Unlike other humidifiers, you don't need the disassembling of a water tank during a refill. Additionally, it works for as long as 16 hours without any break. Another key feature is its uniform mist, for which many other brands struggle for. You must be aware of the electric devices getting rusted from humidity, which is a prime issue in grow tents. This issue is solved in this humidifier, as you can control the direction of mist by the inbuilt directable nozzle. Highlighted features. Super savior of electricity, as it runs on 120 volts only. Runs for 16 hours without any break. Perfect pick for grow tent or small grow room of up to 250 square feet. No need to disassemble the water tank to refill. Comes with glowing option for illuminating the area. Sports a disc cleaning brush as well. This product has a good review. Don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. Everlasting Comfort Cool Mist Humidifier. This humidifier from Everlasting is a suitable product as the best humidifier for large grow tent. It comes with a big 6 liters water tank and can cover an area up to 500 square feet. It can work as long as 50 hours continuously and is the most prominent product in the market in terms of working hour consideration. Furthermore, it is completely noiseless and suitable for sound-sensitive people. Unlike this product, the majority of humidifiers are not compatible with essential oils. However, the Everlasting Cool Mist Humidifier comes with an inbuilt essential oil tray. Now you can control the unpleasant smell in your grow tent by adding some fragrant essential oil to your humidifier. Moreover, it has a filter-free design and a misting range of 270 milliliters per hour. All these features make it a considerable option as the best humidifier for a large grow room. Highlighted features. Keeps the humidity level over 43%. Comes up with a misting rate of 270 milliliters per hour. Can cover a grow room of up to 400 square feet of area. Runs for 50 hours at a stretch. 360 degrees rotating nozzles. Kills germs and bacteria of the water. This product has a good review. Don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. TaoTronics Cool Mist Humidifier. The Cool Mist Humidifier from TaoTronics is a good option as the best humidifier for a small grow tent. It can cover an area of up to 107 to 322 square feet. The working duration is 12 to 30 continuous hours even after the tank is empty. If you don't like frequent servicing, then this is a good option for you as it comes with a durable filter. An inbuilt dust-proof sponge further reduces the servicing requirement. Now thinking about humidity control? The TaoTronics humidifier comes with a built-in LED display to show moisture level and current relative humidity, RH, level. Moreover, it comes with a 360 degrees nozzle and a built-in optional night light. Highlighted features. Works for 12 to 30 hours at a stretch. Sports a 4-liter water tank. Covers grow room or tent within 107 to 322 square feet. LED display with RH level. A long lifespan of the filter. Dust-proof sponge to prevent dust entrance. This product has a good review. Don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 1. Homasy Victsing Cool Mist Humidifier. The Victsing Cool Mist Humidifier can easily cover an area up to 270 square feet on the full operation and 100 square feet at a slower frequency. The built-in knob allows you to control the misting frequency of the device. Thus, you can even convert it into a mini humidifier for a smaller place. Furthermore, you don't need to be worried about the place to put the humidifier. It has a 360 degrees nozzle, which ensures uniform mist distribution with a maximum output of 180 milliliters per hour. Additionally, it can work for 24 hours continuously. The cleaning brush and 3.25 inches large opening makes it easy to use the product. All these features make it a recommendable product in the list of the best humidifier for a small grow tent. Highlighted features. Can run up to a time span of 24 hours. 360 degrees rotating nozzle to humidify uniformly. Classic dial knob to control the humidity level. Easy to clean 2-liter water tank. LED indicator when it runs out of water. Runs at only 28 decibels noise level. This product has a good review. Don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.